One, one, two, two, three, three, four, four, five, five, six, six, seven, seven, eight, eight, nine, nine, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. E for alligator. A for alligator. B for barber. B for barber. C for chocolate. C for chocolate. D for dairy milk. D for dairy milk. E for ear. E for ear. F for farmer. F for farmer. G for gorilla. G for gorilla. H for house. H for house. I for igloo. I for igloo. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lotus. L for lotus. M for moon. M for moon. N for numbers. N for numbers. O for orange. O for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for squirrel. Q for squirrel. R for rectangle. R for rectangle. S for square. S for square. T T for Titanic. T for Titanic. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A. A for alligator. B. B for barber. C. C for chocolate. D. D for Doraemon. E. E for ear. F. F for farmer. G. G for grapes. H. H for house. I. I for igloo. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for numbers. O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rectangle. S. S for square. T. T for triangle. U. U for umbrella. V. V for volcano. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. तो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। बाय।